There are 4 different methods that journals use to get articles into PubMed Central. The journals decide these methods. You don't get to pick one of your favorites. So journals subscribe to either A, B, C, or D methods, okay? Journal methods A and B are similar to each other, and C and D are similar to each other in multiple ways. First of all, in A and B, the final submitted version, the version that people get from PubMed Central, is the published version. So this is identical to the final published version in its PDF form usually. So it has the same formatting and look, and everything's identical to what's published. In the final manuscript version, so journal methods C and D, what happens is you send in your final draft that you sent to the publisher, and PubMed Central will format that paper so that all PubMed Central articles are similar in formatting. Okay. The other big difference is in A and B, the journal or the publisher does most, if not all, of the work for you for getting your article into PubMed Central. In journal methods C and D, you will have to do some of the work, various steps along the way. Exactly what you have to do depends on which journal it is and how much work they do. Okay, so I also have linked on this page lists of the different journal methods and which publishers and journal titles subscribe to which methods, and I will show you that briefly. So this is a list of journals that use submission method A, and there are 2,477 different journals, so you can either just search for the journal or they're all just listed here alphabetically, so you can scroll and see if your journal uses journal method A. If you choose the journal method B link, here's a much shorter list because this is the list of journals and publishers. So not just all the journals, but the different publishers that subscribe to using method B. And then I also have a link for method D publishers. So if you come here and you see your publishers under here, so if you're using Carter Publishing, then they use method D.